In this video, we'll show the 5 best snoring mouthpieces on the market that will help you to choose the best one for you. So, let's dive into the video. So, let's begin. Number 1, most popular. ZQuiet Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece Solution. Prevents snoring by stabilizing and advancing the jaw forward to create an open airway with an oral mouthpiece while you sleep. Affordable, reliable treatment trusted by millions of satisfied customers over the past 10 years. Ready out of the box with no boiling and no molding for the best success, commit to an adjustment period. Patented, FDA-cleared over-the-counter snoring solution, OTC, BPA-free and latex-free premium-grade material. Founded by Dan and Trina Webster to help Dan's snoring problem and give Trina a chance to sleep. Number 2. PureSleep Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece. First snoring mouthpiece available without having to visit a dentist. Way over 1 million units sold. OTC cleared by FDA, so it's safe and actually works, unlike most competitors. Before ordering, scroll down to Legal Disclaimer to see if PureSleep is right for you. Patented design adapts to almost everyone's jaw size and shape with minimal bulkiness. Made and supported in USA. We'll work with you to get promised results. Some soreness is normal for first 3 to 4 nights, then it's very comfortable. Number 3. Tranquility PRO 2.0 Dental Mouth Guard. Auto-mold to your bite, just boil in water and then bite down on the mouthpiece to form a comfortable mouthpiece customized to your bite. Reading to easily calibrate the mouthpiece to your desired setting. 5. Take out of other container and place in your mouth to test. Only submerge for 60-90 seconds. 3. Shake off any excess hot water and place in your mouth. When biting down, remember not to bite too hard where your teeth bite through the soft gel and are now touching the hard plastic. Number 4. Neomen Mouth Guard Professional Dental Guard. Neomen moldable dental mouth guards are BPA-free with protected case. Easy to clean and can be reused. The package comes with high-quality case. We ensure our product mouth guard for teeth grinding is made of safe materials. Whether you are kid, youth or adult, if you clench or grind your teeth and want to protect them, our bite guards are right for you. If you are not satisfied with this night guard, you are back by our 30 days, the full refund will be sent, no questions asked. Number 5. Sova 1.6mm Mouth Guard for Clenching. Sova Aero Night Guard Mouth Guard provides protection against nighttime teeth grinding and teeth clenching. Taste-free guard promotes airflow, making it possible to breathe and drink while wearing. Diffusix Technologies' engineered shape and perforations absorb impact and withstand extreme chewing. Customizable and remoldable to ensure perfect fit and comfort for adults. Non-toxic dental guard cleans easily with soap. Thanks for watching, like, comment and share.